and welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be navigating through the Ultimate Money Machine course, a course that will guarantee your first $1,000 in the next 30 days or less. A lot of people have been asking me I should do a video on this course, so I'll be showing you this course particularly. So I won't allow this video to be too long. So as you can see on my screen, this is the page of the UMM course. As you can see, we have the internet money needle. Exposed, the secret machine force money into your bank. This is a course that forces money into your bank weekly, and this is the $10,000 secret to build a profitable online business that make you $100 or more weekly as a complete newbie. It is super easy and just take 3 steps. So you can watch the video below. As you can see, a video on how to start affiliate marketing with DigiSystem, the Ultimate Money Machine updated video. So after that, you come down straight to the down step here. As you can see, this course is a friendly beginner course, a battle tested strategy course, and is a real passive income course. What are the things you need? You need zero experience. You don't have to be a tech person before you can use this course. Anyone can get started with this course. You can be of any age, from age of 16 to age of 70. You can purchase this course and you can use it. You can be a female or a male. It is 100% beginners friendly, and it is a cheap course. It was created for newbies in mind, with zero cost to put down. Don't need too much capital to start to purchase this course. So when you get this course, it's a step-by-step blueprint that will show you on how to get started. It's a video training course. It is easy to follow and it's easy to implement. It comes with 1 year free affiliate account, a free membership account to promote any product of your choice. That when you sign up with this course, you get access to your free DigiSystem affiliate account, 1 year free affiliate account, which you can promote any course of your choice. There are a lot of courses on the platform. This course comes with done for you premium marketing tools, premium apps that you can use to scale up your business in the next 30 days or less. This course comes with the 60 days how to make $1,000 in the next 60 days, revealing the assumption strategy to generate $1,000 in the next 60 days. So this course comes with how to build an evergreen 7-figure business online, and this course is a friendly newbie course. So as you can see on my screen, you can click here to get started for the course, and the course has a timer in which after 2 days of not getting started with this course, you will lose the opportunity. So look at the real proof of what people are getting within 30 days of implementing this course. A 16-year-old student slammed 1.3 million within a short period of time. As you can see, this is Joshua. He made 1.3 million within a week of using this course. You can see what is wrote on his account. This is another person here. This is even a female. She made 180k in just 1 week of getting started. As you can see, this is another person over here. He made 63,000 in a week while pressing his phone. This someone here, he gets herself a new laptop. She just started last year, and within a week she bought herself a dream laptop of. This is another person over here. She made $500,000 within 7 days. As you can see, this is a very good course that people are using and they are implementing and they are getting massive results. So this is another person here. She slammed 130k in a week. A lot of testimony all around with this UMM course. So thanks to this powerful machine course that take the money from your customer pocket without stress, or you don't have to pursue your customers. So when you get this course, you're making huge profit from this course. So these are video of people that have done testimony pertaining to this course. We have the likeness of Mayor Concept. Is a very branded customer. He has made a lot of money. Let me play this video for you so that you can see.
My name is Olashumayo Abdul Koyum, and I'm a top affiliate on DigiSystem. I want to use this medium to thank all the CEO of DigiSystem for creating these amazing platforms that pays.
Let me play another video of this woman that just $2,000 in 2 months.
Hello, my name is Okeke Vivian. I am a secondary school teacher and also a mother. I got to know about affiliate marketing digital
So as
through
you can
a friend.
see, a lot of people are giving their testimony. As you can see, this is someone that make $1,600 within few weeks of getting started with this ultimate money machine course. And apart from that, when you get started with this ultimate money machine course, you'll be getting access to 1 free year affiliate account. You'll be getting lifetime access to your affiliate account. You're getting a lot of things, a lot of bonuses is inside this course. How to build a website, how to do blogging, how to create a YouTube channel, how to run a Facebook advertising, how to run Instagram advertising, how to do copywriting and priming. A lot of things is valued in this course. And disclaimer, this course is not for you if a person that is looking for a get rich quick scheme. This course is not for you. If you're a person that doesn't have, you are not ready to invest in your self development, this course is not for you. So let me move on with this video. So these are testimony of people that continue with the course. As you can see, a lot of people have given testimony about their course, as you can see. So this is it. So don't allow me to play this video, because if I continue playing this video will be too long. Let me just be playing. Let me just play it small.
Hi, my name is Adekunle Widow, and I'm an affiliate marketer on Digital. And one of the best decisions I've ever made is getting started. You know, when I got started, I was able to make over $500 within
As you can see,
21
he made
days.
$500
And
within
this
a
is
week.
it. When you get started,
So it's just very simple. So this is the ultimate money machine program. Is course that is easy. I'll teach you step by step of affiliate marketing. So these are the things you'll be getting inside the affiliate marketing. As you can see, the 7-figure mindset to build a profitable online business, the step-by-step framework to make your first sales in less than 21 days. This course will teach you how to generate massive quality leads on Twitter, organically on Facebook, organically WhatsApp, like a magician, both organically and inorganically. How to build a landing page with your smartphone. We will see how to do that in this course for free. Done for you copy headline for copywriting and priming. How to pick a hot product. As you can see, how to run converting hits on Instagram and Facebook with just your smartphone without using a laptop. How to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine. So these are the benefits you'll be getting in this ultimate money machine course, a course that will teach you from a novice to a newbie to a professional within 30 days of getting started. So if you get this course, you'll be getting a lot of values. So before I end this video, I want to show you the bonuses you'll be getting in this course. Bonus one is how to start a YouTube channel that pays in dollars, which is around $50 in value. Is packaged inside this course, which is just 25,000 naira. You'll be getting it as a bonus. You'll be getting bonus two, professional tools, premium tools that are used by top marketers. As you can see, a lot of premium apps, a lot. We have about 10 to 20 apps over here, which are around 26,500 naira. You'll be getting it as a bonus when you get started with this course. You'll be getting done for you websites, templates, and tutorials, which is around 25,000. If you get this, it's another bonus for you. You'll be getting another bonus on how to make money selling website service without even knowing how to create a simple web page. You're getting how to do that. You'll be learning how to create your own website and make thousands of dollars. You're getting access to the Telegram support group, where you'll be having 7-figure weekly coaching. So there are a lot of things, a lot of bonuses in this course, especially this one. If you can see, it values around 100,000 naira. So here is the summary of what you'll be getting in the ultimate money machine course. Look at my screen very well. Smart YouTube channel, monetization course, a lot of things for you, if one free digital affiliate account, a lot of things has been packaged in this course. So the total value of this course is $574, which is around 300,000 naira. So instead of you getting it at the rate of 300,000 naira, you're just getting at the rate of 20,000 naira today. So it's better for you to act fast, so before the price gets to 30,000 naira. So as you can see, so these are a lot of testimony of people. So these are frequently asked questions you may want to ask. What is the UMM course? UMM course is a simplified guide that reflects the 10 secrets to build a profitable online business. How do you get started? You need your smartphone, internet connection, and UMM course. Will you get access to your program? Yes, you will have access to the Telegram support. These are the questions you may want to ask. Is he a newbie? Newbies are already crushing it in less than 21 days of getting this course. If you're a 9 to 5 worker, would it favor you? Yes, this course will favor you. So these are a lot of things you'll be getting in this course. I hope you find this video helpful. So take action before this course increase to 30,000 naira. This course is just 20,000 naira as of the time I'm doing this video. So take action before you lose out. Don't lose on this good opportunity. So see you very soon. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice time.